I'm not feeling well today.
What's wrong, Lily?
I have a really bad headache. I feel very weak and tired.
Why don't you lie down on the bed? Let me check your temperature.
I think I might have a fever.
Yeah, you have a high fever. I'm gonna call the doctor right away. Hello, doctor. My girlfriend isn't feeling well. She has a very high fever. Could you please come to our house? Thank you. Please come as soon as possible.
Did you call the doctor? Could you bring me some water?
Sure. Here's some warm water for you. The doctor should be here any minute. I hear the doorbell. That must be him.
Good evening, doctor. Come on in. Good evening.
She's had a fever since last night. Let me check your temperature first.
Open your mouth and say,
Your blood pressure is a little low. How long have you been feeling this way?
Since last night, doctor.
You need plenty of rest and lots of water. This medication is prescribed to help reduce your patient's fever.
The patient should take this medicine 3 times a day. Don't forget to drink 8 glasses of water a day.
Thank you, doctor.
I'm going to the pharmacy now.
Excuse me, I have a prescription. My girlfriend needs these medications today.
Which medicine should I take first?
Start with this fever medicine.
My head still hurts a lot.
The medicine should start working within an hour.
I slept for 3 hours.
How are you feeling now?
A little better than before.
I'm starting to feel a little hungry.
That's a really good sign.
Here's your soup. Be careful, it's hot.
I feel warmer after eating the soup.
Good. The medicine is working.
I'll make lunch today.
Do you know how to cook rice?
Now I'm cutting the vegetables. These onions are making me cry.
Here, take a bite first.
Wow, this is actually really good.
I think I'll take a shower now.
The towel is in the bathroom.
I finished my shower. I feel refreshed.
That's great. I hung the clothes out to dry.
I woke up feeling much better. My headache is completely gone.
Thank goodness. I was really worried. Be careful. Get up slowly.